Hello viewers, I am Deepti. Today I am going to make part 2 of Julius Caesar Act 5 जो मेरी सीरीज चल रही है 50 plus MCQ की उसमें second part I am going to make today. So question number 53 is Titanius is enclosed round about with horsemen that make to him on the spur, yet he spurs on. Who tells this to whom? Messala to Cassius, Pindarus to Cassius, Messala to Brutus or Pindarus to Brutus, and correct answer is B, Pindarus to Cassius. Next is what were Cassius' last words before he died? Here take thou the hills, and when my face is covered, and this is now, guide thou the sword. Caesar, thou art revenged, even with the sword that killed thee. See है, now be a free man. और लास्ट है, ओ coward that I am to live so long to see my best friend taken before my face. So which is the correct option? B. Cassius, thou art revenged even though the sword that killed thee. This is the last words जो उसने बोले थे before he died. Who said this to whom? Noble Brutus. Forces overcame Octavius' troop. At the same time, Antony overcame Cassius' legions. Messala to Titanius, Pindarus to Cassius, Titanus to Octavius, or none of the above. And the correct option is A, Messala to Titanius. As per Act 5 Scene 3, where did Titanius leave Cassius? In his tent for Messala, with his flag bearer, with Pindarus on the hill, safe with his soldiers. And the correct option is C, with Pindarus on the hill. Upon seeing the dead body of Cassius, what did Titanius not say? The sun of Rome has set. Our day is gone. Clouds, dews and dangers come. His own deeds has caused him death. And correct option is his own deeds has caused him death. Not say. बाकी सब तो उसने बोला है. Messala said, seek him, Titanius, whilst I go to meet the noble Brutus, thrusting this report into his ears. Who is referred to as him? किसको बताना है? Cassius, Pindarus, Antony, Octavius. तो B option is correct. Pindarus. Him किसके लिए आया है? Messala said, seek him, Titanius, whilst I go to meet the noble Brutus, thrusting this report into his ear. What is this report? वही question दूसरे type से आया है. What is this report? The death of Cassius, the Antony has defeated Cassius, that Pindarus has fled, or none of the above. And the correct is the death of Cassius. ये news उसको देनी है. This is the report. A option is correct. Who placed the wreath of the victory on Titanius' forehead and asked him to give it to the Cassius? Brutus, Roman gods, Pindarus, Messala. कौन रखता है? A option, Brutus is correct. What was the last thing that Titanius gave to his friend Cassius? His sword, Julius Caesar's robe, the wreath of victory, all of these. And C option is correct, wreath of victory. How did Titanius die? कैसे मरा? Pindarus stabbed him. He asked the flag bearer to kill him. He killed himself with Cassius' sword. Antony killed him in the battlefield. So Titanius कैसे मरा? Option C. He killed himself with Cassius' sword. Who was the first person to announce that Titanius is dead? Messala, Brutus, Pindarus, Cato. तो कौन है? Option D is correct, Cato. Messala said, seek him, Titanius, whilst I go to meet the noble Brutus, thrusting this report into his ear. Why he used the word thrusting? वही question तीसरे type से आ रहा है कि उसने thrusting word क्यों बोला? Brutus would prefer to have sharp blades and poisoned darts in his ears than to hear about the death of Cassius. Brutus would kill Messala to bring this report. He will not be able to approach Brutus as he was in the battlefield. Brutus will not believe him. तो thrusting word क्यों आया? Option A is correct. Brutus would prefer to have sharp blade. वो कहता है मुझे कुछ और सुना दो, चाहे मुझे sharp blade से कर दो, poison darts in his ear, कानों में चाहे poison डाल दो, then to hear about the death of Cassius तुमने मुझे क्यों सुनाया? इसलिए यहाँ पर ये thrusting word आया क्योंकि उसके लिए ये news बहुत heavy होने वाली. Next question is, thy spirit walks abroad and turns our swords in our own proper entrails. Who said these words for whom? कौन है जो हमें अपनी ही तलवार लेके खुद को ही मारने पे मजबूर कर रहा है? कौन कह रहा है? Cassius about Octavius, Brutus about Cassius, कैसियस अबाउट एंटनी और ब्रूटस अबाउट जूलियस सीजर गूस्ट। ब्रूटस कह रहा है जूलियस सीजर के गूस्ट के बारे में कि तुम ही हो इन सबके पीछे कल्प्रिट, नहीं तो कौन अपने आप को खुद तलवार से मारता है और इतने लोगों के तरले करता है कि भाई मुझे मार दो आके। कैटो सेज ब्रेवो लुक whenever he have not crowned dead Cassius। Who is Cato talking about? किसके बारे में कैटो ये बात कर रहा है ब्रेवो करके? टिंडरस, टिटेनियस, लुसीलियस, ब्रूटस। तो यहां पर किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, टिटेनियस। Brutus said, are there two Romans left who are as good as these men? Who was he talking about? किन दो के बारे में बात हो रही है? कैसियस, टिटेनियस, बोथ ए एंड बी। नन ऑफ दिस। तो आपको आंसर में पता चल गया होगा, बोथ ए एंड बी। ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, क्योंकि कैसियस और टिटेनियस के बारे में बात हो रही है। What did Octavius not say about Cassius and Titanius upon finding them dead? Not say, क्या नहीं कहा ऑक्टेवियस ने? Goodbye, the last of all of the Romans. It is impossible that Rome will ever produce your equal, कि तुम्हारे जैसा रोम को दोबारा नहीं मिलेगा। I owe more tears to this dead man, and I shall mourn for a day to respect their death. तो क्या नहीं कहा? तीनों चीजें तो कही है, ए भी, बी भी और सी भी, तीनों कहा है। डी ऑप्शन नहीं बोला। I shall mourn for a day to respect their death, क्योंकि उसके पास टाइम ही नहीं था। ब्रूटस ऑर्डर्ड कैसियस डेड बॉडी टू बी टेकन टू डैश फॉर फ्यूनरल। क्या बोलता है, कहां लेके जाना है उसकी डेड बॉडी को? रोम, पार्थिया, थेसोस और एथेंस। आपको पता है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, थेसोस में लेके जाने के लिए बोलता है। Why did Brutus not want Cassius funeral at the camp? यानी कि बैटलफील्ड में ही, वो कैंप में ही उसका फ्यूनरल क्यों नहीं करना चाहता? Cassius wanted to be buried at Rome. It might demoralize his army to fight. The enemy will become more mightier. The enemy will attack them during the funeral. और ब्रूटस के अकॉर्डिंगली ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, कि अगर मैं यहां पर उसका फ्यूनरल करूंगा तो इट माइट डिमोरलाइज हिज आर्मी टू फाइट। ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट। Whom did Brutus order to send the armies forward for the second fight? Cato and Lucilius, Publius and Messala, Strato and Voluminus, Labio and Flavio। किसको ऑर्डर देता है आर्मीज को आगे लेके जाने के लिए? लेबियो एंड फ्लेवियो। ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट। At what time did Brutus order Labio and Flavio for the second fight? कितने बजे थे? 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and option B is correct, 3 o'clock. O young and noble Cato, art thou down? You have died as bravely as Titanius. Who is the speaker of these lines? किसने कही हैं? ब्रूटस, लुसीलियस, मेसिला, फ्लेवियो। तो कौन है? बी ऑप्शन, लुसीलियस, जिसने ये बोला है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 74। When Lucilius was surrounded by the enemy and asked to surrender, what did he not say? क्या नहीं बोला उसने? According to Act 5 Scene 4 में क्या नहीं बोला? I will surrender only to death. Kill Brutus and be honored in his death. Kill me immediately. I will give you money if you allow me to escape. Escape. मैं तुम्हें पैसे दूंगा अगर तुम मुझे जाने दोगे। ये उसने नहीं बोला, उसने तो कहा कि किल ब्रूटस एंड बी ऑनर्ड। वो अपने आप को ब्रूटस ही तो प्रिटेंड कर रहा है। तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट, आई विल गिव यू मनी इफ यू अलाउ मी टू एस्केप। छूटने के लिए नहीं, उसने मारने के लिए कहा। According to Act 5 Scene 4, what did Lucilius tell Antony when he inquires about Brutus? Brutus is safe enough. No enemy shall ever take noble Brutus alive. The gods protect him from so great a shame. All of the above. So इस केस में all of the above is correct, क्योंकि उसने सब कुछ बोला। I had rather have such men, my friends, than enemies. Who said this about whom? Antony said this about Lucilius. Octavius said this about Titanius, Antony said this about Brutus, और Octavius said this about Brutus। तो किसने कहा? Antony said this about Lucilius। कि उसने बोला किस लिए था कि ऐसे लोग तो मुझे अपने पास रखने, फ्रेंड बना के, इनको मैं अपना एनिमी नहीं बनाना चाहता, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही लॉयल लोग हैं, तो इनसे मुझे दुश्मनी नहीं लेनी है। In Act 5 Scene 4, the soldiers informed Antony that they had captured Brutus. Whom had they actually captured? किसको पकड़ लिया था उन्होंने? ब्रूटस, मेसिला, लुसीलियस और पिंडरस। और यहां पर ऑप्शन नंबर सी करेक्ट है, लुसीलियस को पकड़ा था उन्होंने। What instructions did Antony not give the soldiers about Lucilius, who was taken captive? He is as valuable a prize. execute him immediately, keep this man safe, be gentle with him। तो क्या नहीं कहा था उसने? कौन सी इंस्ट्रक्शन एंटनी ने नहीं दी थी? एग्जीक्यूट हिम इमीडिएटली, उसने कहा था मार दो, नहीं कहा, उसने कहा वैल्यूएबल है, इसको सेफ रखो, जेंटली बिहेव करो इसके साथ। तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट। In the end of Act 5, Scene 4, where was Antony headed? To the battlefield, to Rome to celebrate, to Brutus' tent to search for him, to Octavius' tent। कहाँ जा रहा है? To Octavius' tent। Option number D is correct। What did Brutus whisper to Dardanius? क्या कहता है धीरे से? To look outside the tent, to stand guard while he rested, to kill Brutus himself, to go and give message to Antony। तो what did Brutus whisper? धीरे से क्या बोला उसने डार्डेनियस को? To kill Brutus himself, कि तुम ब्रूटस को मारो। ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट, टू किल ब्रूटस। Which one of these is not alive at the beginning of Act 5, Scene 5? कौन alive नहीं था शुरू में? ब्रूटस, टेटिलियस, स्ट्रेटो और टिटेनियस। कौन नहीं था? टिटेनियस। ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट। How is Voluminous known to Brutus? They met in Julius Caesar's palace. They were school friends. Voluminous was Brutus' son. They had no connection. And the correct option is B. They were school friends. तभी तो उसको कहते तुम तो मेरे बचपन के फ्रेंड हो, मुझे बचपन से जानते हो। What does Brutus not tell Voluminous to convince him to kill himself? क्या नहीं कहा उसने कन्विंस करने के लिए? बाकी सब कहा, क्या नहीं कहा? Our enemies have beat us to the pit. You know that we went to school together. I beg you, hold the handle of my sword while I run on it, or kill me, otherwise I will kill you। तो क्या नहीं कहा? ये नहीं कहा। ऑप्शन नंबर डी नहीं कहा। ए बी सी तो उसने कहा है, किल मी, मैं, तुम मुझे मार दो नहीं तो मैं तुम्हें मार दूंगा। ऐसे कह के उसको कन्विंस थोड़ी करेगा, उसका बचपन का फ्रेंड है वो। What does Brutus mean when he says it is nobler to leap in ourselves than wait until they push us? It is better to die than to be captured and killed by enemy. It is wiser to leap away from the battlefield. It is better to jump from the horse than being pushed. He was remembering his childhood plays. तो क्या ऑप्शन करेक्ट है यहाँ पे? ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट। इट इज बेटर टू डाई देन टू बी कैप्चर्ड एंड किल्ड बाय द एनिमी, कि कोई और हमें आके मारे, उससे अच्छा है कि हम खुद ही मर जाते हैं। While bidding farewell to his companions and friends, what did Brutus not say? क्या नहीं कहा? You have slept all this while, farewell to you too, Strato। I wish that I had won the war with you on my side। My heart rejoices that throughout my life I have known men who were true to me। I will have glory in defeat this day। तो क्या नहीं कहा? ए कहा है, सी कहा है, डी कहा है, बी नहीं कहा। आई विश दैट आई हैड वॉन द वॉर विद यू ऑन माई साइड, जीतने के बारे में तो उसने बोला ही नहीं, तो फेयरवेल कह दे रहा है उनको। इन एक्ट 5 सीन 5, हु वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू टेल ब्रूटस टू रन? क्लिटियस, डार्डेनियस, वॉल्यूमिनस और स्ट्रेटो। कौन कह रहा है? ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट, क्लिटियस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वेयर डिड ब्रूटस सी द घोस्ट ऑफ जूलियस सीजर? रोम एंड इजिप्ट, Sardis and Philippi, Rome and Sardis, Philippi and Rome, and the correct option is option number B, Sardis में पहली बार टेंट में और फिर Philippi में। What did Brutus notice when he came to see dead Cassius? Cassius was deeply wounded but alive. Titanius was wounded and crying in pain. Pindarus was crying besides Cassius. Titanius was lying with face upward। क्या देखा? ब्रूटस ने क्या नोटिस किया? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, Titanius was lying with face upward। तो उसको लगता है ये कैसा पोस्चर हुआ। Who does Lucilius say had died as bravely as Titanius? Young Cato, Cassius, Lucius, Brutus। किसके बारे में बोल रहा है? Young Cato। ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट। Why did Antony spare Lucilius' life? He mistakes him for Brutus. He wanted to get enemy's plan. He wanted a brave person like Lucilius to join his army. He did not want more bloodshed। तो क्या उसका पीछे का मोटिव क्या था? He wanted a brave person like Lucilius to join his army। तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट। इसीलिए एंटनी जो है वो लुसिलियस को मारता नहीं है, मरवाता भी नहीं है। Who had showed the torchlight but did not return? Act 5, Scene 5 के accordingly, Voluminous, Strato, Dardanius और Statilius। And correct option is D, Statilius, जो कि टॉर्च लाइट दिखाता है लेकिन वापस ही नहीं आया। Who does Brutus call out to when he was dying? Julius Caesar, Portia, Cassius, Roman God. किसके बारे में याद कर रहा है? Julius Caesar, क्योंकि उसको लगता है कि उसी के गुस्से की वजह से वो मर रहा है. When Messala asks Strato about Brutus, Strato replies that Brutus has been sent to a safe place, was killed by the enemy, was free from captivity in which Messala was captured by the enemy. तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट. was free from captivity in which Messala was, वो निकल चुका उनकी कैप्टिविटी से बाहर. What were Brutus' last words before he died? I am glad that I served you and Rome. Please forgive me to have betrayed you. I forgive you for all the sins you committed. I killed you half as willingly as I killed myself. क्या last word थे Brutus के? Option number D is correct. I killed you half as willingly as I killed myself. मतलब जितना willingly मैं तुम्हें मारना चाहता था उससे ज्यादा willingly मैं खुद को मारना चाहता हूं. तुम्हें तो मैंने बिना मर्जी के मारा था, क्योंकि सच में उसकी इंटेंशन तो गलत थी ही नहीं. What did Strato say about Brutus when Messala inquired about him? The conquerors can do nothing but make fire of him. He was joined Cassius in heaven. Brutus alone defeated himself. No other man can gain honor from his death. And the correct option is B. He has joined Cassius in heaven. Whom did Octavius offer to join his army first? Strato, Messala, Pindarus, Voluminus. किसको ऑफर करता है? Strato. Option number A is correct. This is how Brutus should be found. Thank you, Brutus, for proving my prediction true. Who said this? Lepidus, Antony, Octavius, Lucilius. कौन सा करेक्ट है? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, Lucilius. What reason did Messala give Octavius to take Strato in his army? That Strato was brave. That Strato did the final service to Brutus. That Strato was not afraid to die. That Strato was an honest man. And the option number B is correct. The Strato did the final service to Brutus. Option number B is correct. How did Brutus die? Strato held the sword and Brutus ran into it. He was killed by Antony. He jumped from his horse and hit a rock. Voluminus killed him with Caesar's sword. And option number A is correct. Strato held the sword and Brutus ran into it. Option number A. Whom does Antony describe when he said, all the conspirators except him murdered great Caesar out of jealousy? Whom does Antony किसके बारे में बोल रहा है? Cassius, Brutus, Titanius, Messala. ब्रूटस के बारे में बोल रहा है कि बाकी सबने तो उसको जेलसी से मारा, ब्रूटस का जेलसी का कोई रीजन नहीं था, उसने तो रोम के फायदे के लिए उसको मार दिया जबकि वो मारना नहीं चाहता था. Antony did not say one of these statements. Question number 101. His life was full of bloodshed and destruction. He acted from high ideals for general good. He had the best combination of the elements of nature in him. He was the noblest Romans of them all. B, C और D तो उसने बोला ही है. A ऑप्शन इनकरेक्ट है. His life was full of bloodshed and destruction. नहीं, ये नहीं था, इसलिए उसने नहीं कहा. While agreeing to Antony, what did Octavius agree to do with Brutus' body? तो क्या डिसीजन हुआ उनका म्यूचुअल? Will treat him according to his virtue, treat with highest respect, will give all the proper burial rites, all of the above. And all of the above is the correct option here. Where would the Brutus' dead body be kept? In Rome for everyone to pay last respect, inside Octavius' tent, under the banyan tree, in the open like a brave soldier. So option number B is correct. Inside Octavius' tent उसकी dead body को रखा गया. What were the last orders that Octavius gave to his soldiers? Take rest. Let's go share the glories of this happy day. Both A and B, none of these. And the correct option is both A and B. Take rest भी है और जाओ अपनी ग्लोरीज को शेयर करो. आज का हैप्पी डे उनके लिए तो हैप्पी ही रहा ना, ऑक्टेवियस और उनकी आर्मी और उनके सोल्जर्स के लिए. With this, I conclude my Julius Caesar and the series of 50 plus MCQ related with this book. I hope, and the comments written by you in my comment section told me that these MCQs have given you a good revision. They help you a lot. So thank you for your comments and give me encouragement to make more and more MCQs of your English literature book. Thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing, and subscribe to my channel. But please don't forget to press the bell icon, and please share with others. Don't just look, share with others also, so that they will also get the benefits of my hard work. Thank you.